Hey guys, it's me Chris from Kids Perspective, and coming up I'm going to show you how to change this display on the 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape.
Kids Perspective How-Tos.
Welcome back. So now we will be changing the display module on my mom's Ford Escape. I recommend starting in the passenger side so the steering wheel won't be in your way. So here are the tools that you're gonna need. Of course, a pry tool, a 9/32 socket, a socket wrench, and an extension so you could screw out the screws that are deep in. So we're gonna start on the side here with your pry tool and pull it toward you, just like that. And then start on the other side. And pull it toward you the same way. Like that. And then you start up here. And pull it out toward you. Just like that. What's really important is that you shouldn't pull it up because these pins will break out and you don't want that. There's going to be a cord attached, so you just leave it here and let it hang. This will show you the 4 screws that are located right here. And just screw it out. These screws are really long, so it might take a while. And when you take them out, put them in a place secure so you won't lose them. Okay. After you take the screws out, it's really simple. Just take your pry tool and pull it out towards you. And then you see the cord attached to it. And you see this pin right here? You just squeeze it and pull it out. It's as simple as that. So if you're going to install your new unit, just do this in the reverse order. I'm your host, Christopher Shannon from Kids Perspective, and if I could do it, you could do it too. And if you like my videos, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. So, where's that? Oh, there it is.
Kids Perspective.
It's not even moving. So it's taking longer than other ones. don't know. Yep, that's good.
Okay.
There. Yep.
All right, let's do the key. Let's set it on so that we can make sure it works now. Okay. And it's lighting up. It's perfect.
Nice. Seriously. Oh well.
Let's see if that fixed the problem.
I mean, well, it usually cuts off when she starts driving.
Okay. So we should be good then, hopefully. If not, then we'll need to maybe take out the head unit,
This
which is the
whole
stereo
thing?
part. Yeah, the stereo part. That's not quite as hard. Maybe we'll do a video on that too.
Okay.